That's life of vlogger. Pakita natin how we harvest. Oh, look at that. I did not on. Gutom na ba ang lahat? Okay, you call the others. So I can feed you one time. Cook, 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 cook. Everybody come now because I will be doing something.
It'll be noisy.
Huh?
It'll be noisy once I start.
Hey, slugs. Oh my god. Hi. Okay, let's harvest sunflower. So how I film is I have camera in here. So you can see. That's life of vlogger. Pakita natin how we harvest. Oh, look at that. I did not on. Then, I have one more in here. This one. So cute. Wow. My sweat went to my eyes. That's bad. Ayan siya. Okay, so I have two in here. Lagay muna natin dyan. Yeah? Need to uproot this. Pasensya na po sa ingay, sa background. May ginagawa yung asawa ko sa aming car. Op. Ayan siya. Ang laki niya. So, scrape natin. Remove those petals. This is big. Malaki to. Look at the seeds ni. Wow. This is big. You smell? Oh yeah? May amoy daw siya. Amoy sunflower, syempre. Oh my God, look at this. Nice. One like this, one hand. It cover my hand. Just right. Wow. So, umpisahan na natin. Wow. Great. Wow. Ito siya. So again, these are the big ones, the big sunflower. So I have all this, and the smaller one this. Ayan sila. Wow, ang dami. Look guys. Magtanim tayo. Tanim-tanim pag may time. Loosen the soil first. Oh. Okay na okay yung soil natin. In Ilocano, how they call it? Naruka. Oh, these are the good soil. Wow. Magtanim tayo ng sunflowers. Okay, so I think that's all for my gardening today. And later after lunch, I will cook a dinner. Oh, I see an airplane. It will be hopefully a good dinner. My first time to make this dinner. Oh, look at my... Remember guys, the green onion that I transplanted before? This is the result. Eto na sila. Very healthy again. Oh, you might be wondering guys, why I will not water this one, because it looks like in a few minutes rain is coming. Wag na tayong mag-aksaya ng tubig. Yung ulan paparating na in a few minutes. So there you go. I'm done. Going pick up drive-through lunch. Okay, let's eat. Put some salsa. Wow, I can smell the salsa in there. How you like this? How you like that? Can't wait. Let's put you. Mangan. Always good. So chips with ground beef, tomato, the salsa, the cheese, melted cheese, and then the mild sauce for me. Just right, they complement each other there. So good. With sour cream also.
Yeah.
Sour cream. That's it mga kababayan. Ayan, umuulan na guys. Sabi na nga ba uulan ngayon eh. So, madidiligan yung aking mga tanim na sunflowers. Okay, so it's cooking time. I have here the pig's feet. Oh, I'm excited to do this one because first time I will cook pig's feet here in Hawaii. Even hubby is excited to taste this one. Ooh, they look nice. Maganda yung nakuha namin. Ooh, masarap yung part na yan. Okay, so let me wash this with water. Let's start cooking. So, eto na yung mga pig's feet, or how do we call this in Philippines? Pata ng baboy. I will add water. Lagyan natin ng tubig at pakuluan natin. Let's wait that it boils. Kasi ang purpose ng pagpapakulo natin guys is para mag-float yung mga scum at aalisin natin yon. Ito yung mga dapat nating alisin. Yan. Ayan sila. At mukhang okay na. So, turn off the stove. At alisin natin. I will wash the pata one time. First, put the garlic. And then onion. Daming onion. Okay. So, lagay natin yung pata. Ayan sila. Medyo i-brown lang natin yung mga pata ng baboy. Yan, medyo may kulay-kulay na siyang nagbo-brownish. Next, maglagay tayo ng soy sauce. So, maybe 2 minutes, hayaan lang natin na ganito para ma-absorb nung pata yung soy sauce. Susunod, maglagay na tayo ng water. Meron din ako dito pork cube, whole peppercorn, at yung dahon ng laurel or bay leaf. Medium heat lang po tayo. I will cover and simmer until the pork pata is tender. Maybe around 45 minutes. Slow cook, and I'm back, guys. Let's check after around 45 minutes. Ay, malambot na talaga siya. Ay. Yes. Okay. Malambot na siya, guys. Oh. Try nating i-flip. Oops. Parang maaalis siya sa, madedetach siya sa bone. Wow, super lambot. Very, very tender. Oops. Nag-break na yung fat sa super lambot niya. Dapat careful. Ayan. At ito yung pinaka malaki. Ala. Ooh, oh my God. Super, super lambot. Next, to put the vinegar. So, I'm using black vinegar, our sukang Ilocos. Maglalagay din tayo ng brown sugar. Melt natin yung sugar. Super lambot na. So, simmer lang natin without covering anymore. Kasi naglagay na tayo ng vinegar. At gusto ko siyang lagyan ng konting yung Mang Tomas lechon sarsa. Lagyan natin. Pampasarap. Ayan. Masarap siya. Ito yung sauce. Antayin lang natin na medyo mag-dry. Yan, masarap. Flip ulit natin para sa kabila naman yung mag-absorb ng ay, naghiwalay na sila sa sobrang lambot. Wow. sarap. And for the last touch, ilagay natin yung fried eggplant earlier. Patapaksiw with fried eggplant. Ayan, paksiw na pata ng baboy. Saan ka pa? Kailangan dito madaming kanin. Sira ang diet. Ayan siya. Nakakasira ng diet to guys. Tikiman na. Siyempre, tingnan natin kung talagang masarap siya. Wow.